Walked up to a nice one. This one's getting hit too. You got your net? You wanna come over here? I'm so glad I switched to 60-pound test. Holy cow, he's a beast.
Come off your, push your pedals all the way forward.
That's a good one. Can you just net it? That's the one I've been looking for right there. I think I'm good. Yep. There we go.
Nice.
That's the one, boys. That is a tournament fish right there. Look at that. Oh, shit. Oh. So we're gonna flay up this red snapper. And same concept. We're gonna go across the head at an angle and work the backbone and then work the stomach. This was a very frustrating day of fishing because when we caught this red snapper, I thought it was gonna go off. I sat on that number with a pile of fish on my fish finder, 40, 50 feet high. There were nothing but snapper down there. And just couldn't get them to eat. And then we had a shark move in the area and it just shut it down. I think with this moon that we had real clear skies and a nice moon last night. I think that's part of the problem. Wow, this knife is like butter compared to other ones. And I still suck.
Shout out to Danco, nice sharp knives.
No offense, Mustad.
Well, I'll have to get a close-up on that knife I used last time so they can see all the chips in the blade. It's got like chunks that missing out of the blade.
So this red snapper looked a lot bigger, but it's still a nice fish. I'm just working this backbone. It's almost too sharp. Like I'm missing a lot because it's so sharp.
We never claim to be professionals.
We're just out here for fun.
Yeah.
Both family men.
I'm sure there's commercial guys and party boat guys that are watching this video like, I fillet that in 10 seconds and it's perfect.
Yeah. I'm sure they do.
Yeah, definitely. Which we'll find out. Got exciting news. Me and Jordan are going on a Hubbard's 39-hour trip.
July 10th, I turned 30. The dirty 30. July
30,
7th.
so we're going on the 39-hour.
Yeah.
And I'm super excited for that trip. It's going to be awesome.
Dylan Hubbard is, if you don't know, is one of the biggest names in fishing around here. He does more for the fish population and the community, the fishing community, than anybody. He takes care of his people. He takes care of people he doesn't know. He's just an all-around good guy. The Hubbards have been fishing this area for years and years and years.
Yeah, I can't even tell you when.
So I know you guys are looking at this like, oh, look at all that meat he missed, but that's rib cage. So thank you. We got a lot of hate on our fillet job.
Not too much. Just there's a couple haters. There's always going to be some haters.
Same concept. I leave it attached to the tail. Just go along the meat. This is no monster by any means, but he's definitely a keeper. Just like that. Got a nice red snapper fillet.
Boom.
We hit up this other side, and we'll find a way to cook it and check back in with you guys.
We'll meet you in the kitchen or at the grill. We're not sure yet.
Yep.
So Jordan came up and he participated in a tournament off the Gulf Coast here at Devar, and look at this red snapper that he caught. Oh my gosh. It looks so delicious. It was a really big catch, so good job, Jordan. And I am going to cook it. So we are gonna make a baked garlic and herb crusted snapper for dinner. So we are going to we have our Worcestershire. I have plain breadcrumbs. You can use seasoned if you'd like. I decided to do some Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, garlic, chives from the garden, parsley from the garden, and then we have some butter. So let's get everything mixed together. So you're gonna melt 4 tablespoons of butter, the Worcestershire with the garlic, the Old Bay with the black pepper, parsley, and chives. Once all those flavors get married, you'll add the breadcrumbs. Remove the breadcrumbs and add a tablespoon of butter to soak up all the extra juices and flavoring left behind. You'll use this to brush onto your fillets. Next, you're gonna take your breadcrumb mixture and just coat your fillets with it. This is going to give you that beautiful crusted finish when they're baking. Next, this is gonna go in the oven at 400 for 12 minutes or until it's flaky.